We'll continue with the sixth sum in the trial in the subsidiary book 1. They are for the Nalanda bookstores. Here using this one, we have to prepare a purchase book, sales book. We are preparing purchase written. Sales written is not there, only purchase written is there. So we'll see what and all will come. See, first one here bought in a purchase down. So this will come in the purchase book for credit. So we will write this one. Next is a sold. Sold means sales. They are given for the credit. We'll write it in the sales book. Next bought, it is there. Bought means purchases. We'll write in the purchase book. They are given for the nothing they are given. Credita or cash they did not give. So we'll treat it as a credit only. So we will write here. And whenever after calculating, we have to minus the sales, minus the trade discount, we have to do it. And come to the next one, 15th day, return is there, Uma Devi is there. Okay, so Uma Devi, where it is there in the December 1. So that means it will come as a, so return Uma Devi is there, where the Uma Devi in the number 1 you can see. So what it is number 1 and purchase. So this is called as a purchase return, we'll write. Next is sold is there, credit is there, we'll write in the sales book. Next return is there. See the name Subha is there. Say where the Subha is coming there. December 10 you can see the Subha is there. Subha what we are doing purchase. So this will come as a purchase return will do. Okay, we'll continue with the purchase book. Mrs. Uma Devi. So we are buying for a business. Statistics book. We are buying for 100 books, rupees 80 rupees. So 100 into 8 we'll get it as 8,000. And next is same Uma Devi only. We are buying it for the same data. Accountancy book is there. Accountancy book, how many copies we are buying means 100 copies for rupees 150. If you multiply with this means we'll get it as 15,000. If you add this both we'll get it as 23,000. Next December 10. What it is there, Subha and Co. In that we are buying as an economic book. How much means 40 book, rupees 80 rupees we are buying. If you multiply with 40 with 80 means we'll get it as 3,200 we are getting. So for this we have a sales trade discount is there. So we have to list the trade discount. Trade discount is 15%. So 3,200 into 15 divided by 100 means 0 cancel. If you multiply 32 into 15 means we will get it as 480. So if you minus with 3,200 with 480 means we will get it as 2,720. So the total will be 23,720. We'll write this as a purchase account data. Next we'll go for the sales book. December 7. We can write as a Mrs. Sri Devi and Co. From there we are buying as a business statistics book. How many copies means we are buying 240 copies for rupees 90 rupees. If you multiply with that we'll get 21,600 we are getting. Next same Sri Devi and Co only we are buying accountancy book we are buying. So how many copies means 250 copies into how many means 170 rupees each. So if you multiply with this, we are getting 42,500. So next is in the December 18, you can see Gupta Brothers. So there we are buying a economics textbook. Economic book. How many copies means 200 copies into how many rupees for each means 95 rupees for each. So if you add this both, we are getting a 64,100. If you multiply with this means we are getting a 19,000. So if you add all this together means we'll getting as a 83,100. We write this for this as a sales account creditor. See in the December 15th sales return is there, 26 also return is there, purchase return purchase return is there, 26 also purchase return is there. So here Uma Devi where you can see here. See here Uma Devi 10 copies of accountancy only they are returning. So see here accountancy, how many rupees means 150, how many copies means 10. So how we will write 150 into 10. Next, there you can see here Subha we are returning 6 economics textbook. Subha where you can see, go and see here Subha economics means rupees how much means 80 rupees only for each. So 6 into 180 rupees will multiply. But for here Subha, you can see here in the Subha we have a trade discount. If you multiply on this, whatever amount is coming, if you multiply this means what the amount will come, we'll get it as a 480. For this 480, for Subha there is a 15% trade discount into 15 divided by 100 we have. Or whatever it is getting, we have to minus from 480. We'll go and do. So in the December 15 we'll write as a Mrs. Uma Devi. So there we are returning how many accountancy book only. Accountancy book only we are returning. How many book we are returning means 10 book we are returning. So how we will write 150 into 10 books. This is 150 rupees. This is a copies we are returning. If you multiply means we will get it answer as 1,500. Next in the December 26 Subha and Co. we are returning economics textbook. How many copies we are returning means 6 copies. Each copy will be 80 rupees. So 80 into 6, how much the amount will come? It will come as 480. For this we have a less trade discount is there. 15% is there. So 480 into 15 divided by 100 means we'll get it as a 72 rupees we'll get. So from this if you minus this means how much? 408. So now we'll add this one. We'll get it as a 1,908. So the year we'll write as a purchase return account. That's all.